Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set invocation card location on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and then you go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. At the left side of the home screen, go to the second button, the game, and here go to the gameplay section. You can find the invocation card location and you can select three options, the left, right or the hide. If you want to select, for example, the hide, just click to the square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.